Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio. Today I am doing my very first design team call out. Applications are able to come in all the way till the end of this month, August 30th, 2023. So as I said, this is the very first design team call out, the official one. I have two design team members that have been with me for quite a long time now, and I'm super duper thankful for them. Very blessed they're on my team, and I would like to now add more to it. I've also, as you can see when we get a little bit further down here, I have created some commitments that the studio will make to its design team members that are bigger and greater than ever before. And I just am super excited that we can potentially grow together. So if you are interested, just fire me an email. You will see the email at the end of this presentation, and we will see how we do. Design team qualifications: an active YouTube account with 500 plus subscribers. Other active social media accounts are a bonus, such as Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. One good quality design team project a month. Now, this could mean several things. It could mean one video where you're using a whole bunch of the floral fussy cuts or the tea cards or just various digitals to make a mass make, maybe tags or postcards or just a project that you are working on in that video using the studio's digitals. It could also mean a journal that you're putting together over several videos. It could also mean that you're using, because the studio has a ton of labels and numbers and fussy cuts and such, maybe you're just using them off and on, sprinkled throughout the whole month in your other projects, and that's good too. Either way, the only thing that I would like to see is that you link the studio's Etsy listing for whatever you're using, whether it be the labels in various projects or a kit that you're using to make a journal, whatever it is in your design team projects description box, and include design team project at the Junk Journal Studio in your video title. Now, if you are just using the studio's digitals for that one video or for a series of videos making a kit, for example, the design team project at the Junk Journal Studio is great to have in the title. However, if you're using the labels and various fussy cuts and bits and pieces from the studio throughout the whole month, this isn't necessary. Just a link in your description box would be sufficient. How to apply: tell me a little bit about yourself and your creative journey. This doesn't have to be huge, just a tiny bit about who you are and maybe how you've discovered junk journals or what your goals are for your YouTube channel, or just your background a little bit. Provide links to your YouTube account and any other social media creative accounts that you may have, and then list any other design team members you may be a part of, which is perfectly fine. Just like to be able to see where you belong and maybe watch some of your videos. You can apply by email by August 30th, 2023 at TheJunkJournalStudio@gmail.com. Now, for the Junk Journal Studio's commitment to you as a design team member. Design team projects of good quality posted on YouTube will be linked in the design team projects section in the Etsy listing description box. This one is huge, you guys. I have many sales every single day. I have tons of fans that love the studio's work and will, without a doubt, be following you if there is a link so that they can see the different things that they can use their purchases for in various projects and such. So this is a great coverage for you. Design team projects of good quality posted on YouTube will be linked in the new digital YouTube flip through. So every new digital I put out, I do a flip through on YouTube, and I will make note of your project with a link in the description box of that flip through video. And we'll also highlight to the viewers when doing the flip through to be sure to check for those projects. Design team members' YouTube channel, Etsy shop, and social media accounts will be permanently linked in the description box of all the studio's YouTube videos. Design team projects YouTube videos will be shared on the studio's Facebook page, which I have over 2,000 subscribers as it stands right now, and the fans page, and this is growing exponentially all the time. The Junk Journal Studios digitals will be free to you, and I will do mentions on flip-throughs, craft-alongs, and tutorials from the studio on YouTube about your YouTube channel and your projects and such that you're doing throughout the month. So that is the Junk Journal Studio's commitment to you should you decide you would like to be part of the team and you are chosen. So that is the design team call out. Again, you can apply by August 30th, 2023 at TheJunkJournalStudio@gmail.com. And I'm super excited to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Bye.